Hi, welcome back. This is just a short tutorial on how I did my gel polish ombre. So first to go in with the red, I apply it down one side of the nail. Try and keep it in the middle, well depending where you want the ombre to be, but just so it's half and half and it gives you room to blend. And make sure there's enough gel polish on there as well, you don't want to be too thin and dry because you need to blend them together. I'll then go in with the neon orange, apply it down one side of the nail to make sure that enough colour is there, and then I use the same brush from the neon orange to blend down the middle, wiping off the brush as I'll go because I don't want to streak the red up and down, I'm trying to make a nice blend. So because both sides of the gel are wet, you can keep blending and blending and blending until you're happy, and then you can go in and cure it. So once it's cured, I'll go in again and do the exact same routine. Apply the red down one side, go in with the neon orange down the opposite side, and then blend with the neon orange brush, just to make sure you've got some gel on there to blend into the red as you're brushing up and down. Do remember to clean your brush before you put it back into the bottle because you don't want to mix the colours inside the bowl. I'm just showing you another ombre using raspberry from the gel bottle and flax. So again, I'll go in with one side, cover one side completely. Again, making sure it's not too dry. You need not a lot, but you need enough polish to be blendable. You don't want to be dry and dragging polish off everywhere. Again, do not cure that. Then go in with your second colour, applying it down the opposite side. Make sure you've got the colour in place as near as you can to the middle bit, and then when you're happy with the coverage on the opposite side, then you start blending with your brush. Obviously you need to be aware that every colour won't blend seamlessly with the other colour, so don't get stressed, just keep trying, keep blending until you're happy, and it'll eventually get there. But also I feel like you can over blend as well, to a point where you feel like you can't stop and you lose a whole colour, then you just blended one big colour into one mush colour. So yeah, just take your time and it'll be fine. Once I've cured the first layer, I go in again with my second layer, following the same routine, not making my brush too dry, making sure there's enough colour on there. When I'm happy, going on to the opposite side, applying that colour and blending again. And remember, do not forget to clean your brush. Wanted to add that this is obviously not the best way to do it. This is just my way, so I'm not being an ombre, I'm not a queen here or anything. I just want to show you my way of doing an ombre gel polish, because it is tricky to do and it can be very stressful. But yeah, this is the only way I've found that I actually like the end result, so yeah. So once I'm happy with the blend on this, I then cure for 60 seconds and then I go in with my top coat, and then they are both done. And here are the finished nails. As I said, this is just my way of doing things, so I'm sure there's much better ways out there to do them. But yeah, I just thought I'd share this with you. So I hope you've enjoyed watching. Please give a like and subscribe if you like to. I'll be very grateful. Thank you. Bye.